What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's Instructor 5TC. I'm teaching you guys how you can create Roblox t-shirts or just normal shirts in general. Hoodies, pants, anything you guys want, right? So what you gotta do is click on create. Once you're over here, go to creation. Once you're in creation, go to avatar items. Once you're over here, what you want to do, you want to go to shirts, right? Because t-shirts are like just like this, right? You can't really customize them as much. It's not really as much t-shirts are not really as much customizable, right? It's just a t-shirt, right? But I'm pretty sure most of you guys say I want to make hoodies, pants, just normal tees, do whatever, right? Super customizable, right? So for that, what you want to do is click on shirts. And once you click on shirts, right? What you have to do is upload, right? But you can't upload it right now. You have to go to learn more. Once you click on that, you have to click on classic clothing. And once you click on that, you have to click on shirts and pants, not t-shirts, shirts and pants. And once you click on that, it should take you to this page right here. So what you have to do, you have to literally copy it, right? So let's say you're gonna make pants. That's what you can do. By me right now, I'm gonna make shirts, right? So what I'm gonna do is copy this. So let's say shirts, right? First, save it. Now what you have to do is you could go on an app or a website where you can put like pictures on this, right? So me personally, I'm gonna go on Canva because it's way easier for me. So let's say I search up Canva. Once you're in Canva, we might have to sign in. So once you sign in, it should take you to this page right here. From here, what you're gonna do is click on create design. It's gonna be just put a YouTube thumbnail or a whiteboard, doesn't matter. But me, I'm gonna put a YouTube thumbnail. And once I do that, you have to go to uploads, right? Once you click on uploads, I remember that file we just downloaded. You have to click on that and click on that file over here. Once you get that file, paste it over here, make this big, a little bigger. If it's not too big, make that bigger. Then once you do that, you can literally customize it with anything you want. So me personally, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna customize my own stuff, right? So let's say I want to put my logo right here, my channel logo. Make sure you don't put it right on it. You have to put it like the side and make it smaller. So me personally, what I like to do is, so let's tag on Google, search up the color blue, right? Once I search on blue, I'm gonna copy this color right here, take it, drag it all the way over here, I paste it over here. Now from here, now I'm gonna put it on the side right here. I'm gonna make this smaller, make it way smaller, make this a little bigger, paste it right here. So let's say this side, I wanna make it blue. You can put whatever color you want, doesn't matter. So and I'm gonna duplicate and put one on this side, duplicate again, put one on top. I want to put just my logo, right? So let's say I just want to crop all this out and I just put my logo right here. You can do whatever you want. So me, this is what I want to do. It's pretty easier for me. So I just copy this. Now I just paste it over here. Boom, make it super skinny. Now I copy that, duplicate, and put one over here. Boom. Right. So share, download. And once you download it, just name it t-shirt. So me already saved it. So once you do that, you just have to go back, right? Go to shirt, upload. We're gonna name it shirt. Come here, upload it. But make sure you know any 10 Robux, which I don't have right now. But if you do have it, which you just have to do it, just click on upload. And there you go. That's how you create t-shirts. And once you're done with your t-shirts, what you have to do is go back here, click on avatars, and you have to click on this right here. And you can put it for on sale right here. Need 10 Robux to upload one. I didn't know that, but me right now, I can't do that, but you just click on publish and there you go. So you create a shirt in Roblox. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.